That's how you're gonna sit? Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
Yeah, you're ready to film?
Oh,
Yes.
hey guys, today we're gonna make cookies. My name is Jensen. So we have butters and flour, brown bread, chocolate chip, and we have flour, sugar, and baking soda, baking powder, extra. Today we're gonna make butter, sugar. Mix it together. I put butter and sugar to mix together. Now we gotta put eggs. Get outie. I'm gonna put brown sugar in it. Now I'm gonna put flour, sugar. This one. Take this one. Hold on, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna put this in the flour. I'm gonna put the flour in there. Yo, mix it.
Is it hard?
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's a little.
Do you need some help?
No.
No?
I don't need
You got it?
it. Soups. Jensen 14.
What's your name?
Super and Jensen 14.
Okay, I'm gonna help. Hold on.
Don't worry, I got this.
No, because you have to do that one. Let me do this first.
Wow. That's a lot.
It's a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, I put too many sugars. That's all the sugars. I'm gonna add the flour. Okay. I think that's enough.
I think you have to put the whole thing in, buddy.
Okay, hold it.
Shake it, shake it.
I think that's all. Oh, get it. That's the whole sugar. Yeah. Super. Jensen 14. I'm gonna add the chocolate chip in the cookie. Is that good? Whoa, that's a lot. I'm gonna put the rest of my chocolate chips. Okay, it's ready. I'm gonna put your oven for 375. Now I'm gonna put a cookie on the pan. Should I do? I'm gonna chill. I caught this. Not easily. Too strong. Whoa, let me check. Right. Here. Oh. Whoa. Easy. I'm gonna cook my cookie for 8 minutes.
What makes you happy about the cookies?
Yeah. Happy after cookies.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah.
Was it hard to make it?
No.
It wasn't hard at all?
Mm-mm.
What do you want to make next time?
I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make a chocolate chip cakes
Chocolate chip cakes.
and spaghettis and cookies.
Okay.
And that's it.
Who are you gonna give the cookies to?
Both of you guys,
And who else?
Johnny.
What about mommy and daddy?
Yes.
Mommy and daddy too?
Yeah.
Have you made cookies before?
Yeah.
Who did you make cookies with?
With my mom.
You made cookies with your mom already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that enough?
Not yet. I'm just asking for a little more. That's good.
Okay. And then are you gonna show how to mix it up?
Sit up.
Yeah.
Spoon. Mhm. My cookie is ready and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Come again. Now my cookies are ready. Enjoy.
Look at the camera and say it again.
Tell me again.
I'm gonna put the oven to 375 degrees.
Okay.
Look at the camera.
I'm gonna put 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna put the cookie in the. I'm gonna put the oven for 30 pounds. P 75.
375.
375. 100.
Again.
Yeah.
How much you gonna sell it?
For one time.
How many dollar?
That'd be for free.
What? Wow, you're nice. For free?
Yeah. For free is good. Hey, I got it. Okay. Wait. Come on. I just got. Can you move that for me?
Sure,
Just a little.
sure.
Okay.
Yummy. Good job.
Cookie.
Wow, puppy. Good job. Be careful of your cup, okay? There's a glass. Bye. Be careful of your juice.
Hello.